If you've ever dealt with the Mykey system on a 2010 Ford F150, you know the struggle. It's like the car is your parent, setting limits on your fun. Top speed capped, audio volume half muted, nannies everywhere. Annoying, right? Sometimes you're not even the one who set it up. Maybe you bought the truck used, and the last owner thought it was hilarious to restrict everything. Or maybe you did it yourself, then lost the admin key. It happens more than Ford wants to admit. Here's the bad news. You actually need an admin key, basically the original unrestricted key, to reset or clear Mykey. That's Ford's built-in security feature, and no amount of secret button pressing will trick it. It's pure logic, if a little harsh. First step is figuring out, do you have that admin key? If you've got more than one key, sometimes it's in the pile. Insert one into the ignition, turn to on, then look at the dash. If it says admin key, bingo. Now, if you only have a Mykey and no admin key, you're stuck unless you want to call the dealer. Painful, I know. Dealers usually charge anywhere from $80 to $200 for programming a new admin key, which is like buying back control of your own truck. Let's assume you do have the admin key. With it, you can reset everything. Start by turning the ignition to on using the admin key. Engine off is fine, just all the lights powered up. Scroll through the dash menu until you see Settings. Scroll down to Mykey. You'll be tempted to select Create Mykey, but resist. Instead, find Clear Mykey. Click OK and let your hopes soar. The dash will ask if you want to clear all Mykey restrictions. Confirm once more. Boom! All restrictions wiped out in seconds. Suddenly, you've got full volume, no speed limit warnings, and the sense of freedom that only unrestricted audio can give. It's a seriously good feeling, like snipping the world's longest zip tie. Pro tip here. Always keep a real admin key somewhere safe. If you lose it, you're back at dealership mercy. Also, don't create a new Mykey unless you genuinely need parental controls. There's no secret backdoor if you want to undo it later. For those who only have a single restricted key, I get it. It's tempting to Google Mykey hacks or bypass methods, but I'll save you the time. Without an admin key, the only truly legit way is to get a new one programmed. If you really hate the dealer premium, you can try a good locksmith. They often program Ford keys for less. Check reviews in your area. Here in Portland, OR, I'd call 2 or 3 for quotes. But still, expect to pay a chunk. If you're shelling out for a new key on your 2010 F150, it's worth getting 2 admin keys made. Double the initial cost, but half the stress down the road, especially if you're planning to sell or share the truck later. Resolving Mykey is a rite of passage for Ford owners. Once you crack the reset process, you'll wonder why you ever put up with those limits. Every drive feels better. Now go blast your music with 0 restrictions because you can.